Congratulations, Aisha. You graduated with first class honors. Thank you for believing in me from the beginning. Go into the world and make a difference.
How I create AI videos from start to finish. Step 1, creating the stories. I usually start by sharing my idea with ChatGPT and then work with it to develop that idea into a full story. Step 2, I will go to ChatGPT and narrate the story I'm about to create. This is ChatGPT. I'm just going to paste in my story. So I pasted my story without telling ChatGPT what to do. Obviously, ChatGPT will sense that I want to create a video, so they're going to give me list of what to do, and that is what I'm scrolling through. So I will now prompt them and tell them what to do. I'm going to ask them to script it, add dialogue, visual, scene, and character reference because I would not be using image to reference it. So they will do that for me. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. They are giving me the character description. They've given me this character setting, how the place is going to be, action that would be taken by these people, and what again? Okay, this is the dialogue, the camera setting, assuming a person was doing the filming, then the audio, the background sound, and all that thing. The style, which is a realistic cinematic Nigerian family drama, something like that. And all I have to do now is to go through it again. After doing that, I'll just go up and do what? I'll copy. And now I'll head to Google Flow. So what we are using is Google Flow. Yes, when you go to Google Flow, you create new projects if it's a different story. So I'm just going to paste what I copied here. Then I'll come here to do the setting. I'll change this from image to video 916. Then one, I just want just one video because if I want them to make it into, they'll make it in two different ways if I like. So I'll paste. After pasting it, I'll check my settings again. Then this, you can make it 8 if you want. If you want it 8 seconds, you can make it 8 seconds. You can make it 6 seconds. You can make it 4 seconds. Then when it is in 10 seconds, it takes 15 credits. Then I'm using Omni Flash. Yes, that's what I like using. If you can use View Light to take 10 and this View Fast to take 20 credit. So I am back to my Omni Flash. So the video is creating. This video I'm creating is going to give an error message. I'm giving you people hard task so that you will not say I did not tell you. Google Flow rejects a lot of scenes. They reject a lot. They don't like adding children, anything that have to do with children. So while that is creating, I came here to ask them to arrange my clip two so that once that one finished creating, I'll just pick up the clip two and paste. But I have an issue. The issue is the clip one is not going to create. I know because of the little girl description that was part of it. You can see generation field. I know it's because of that little girl, but I'm not going to say anything. I'll just head back to ChatGPT and tell them that it is not working. What I'm doing here is going through it, yes, to see what is wrong with my prompts. And what is actually wrong with my prompts is the little girl. But I do not want to do that. I don't want to show you. I want you to see through ChatGPT. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT now. So I'm back to ChatGPT I'm going to tell ChatGPT that clip one is not creating. If you cannot create is what I say. Any English you speak is okay, they will create it for you. They will understand. So yeah. You can see what they said. That the problem may not maybe that the clip one is trying to do too much in 10 seconds, especially with a child. Busy traffic, multiple background elements, and several is part of it, but I know that that child is the main problem. Google Flow is flagging it. So they are going to give me another one, which I'm going to copy again and do what? Go back to Google Flow to create. So we are here again at Google Flow. Let's see if it will create. Okay. So we are going to wait for it to create. So while we are waiting, we'll come back here and do what? Arrange for clip 2. As I said earlier, because clip 1 was not working well. So maybe there might be a little twist in the story, in the narration. So I'll go back and ask them to give me clip 2 again. And you can see what they give us for clip 2. So we'll go through it. If it's what we want, if it is not what we want, we can always copy it somewhere and arrange it properly. So let's see if it's created. Okay, it's created. So let's play. So we are going to go ahead and download it. That 3 dots, you click download, then you download it in your own resolution. So the video is saved. I would have leave it at this, so but because this one did not have dialogue, I want to give you the one that would have dialogue, and that's why we are going to go to clip 2. Since clip 1 is just observing, it will not make sense that it not give you something that have dialogue, that have somebody talking. Yes. So I'm going to highlight the prompt and just replace it with the next one. The clip 2 did not work, so I have to go back to ChatGPT to inform them. So they recast the clip. So this is it. Me telling them that clip 2 is still not working. So they're going to give me something else. Is the 6 years old girl. You know they removed her from the other one, but they added the 6 years old girl again in the description. For that reason, Google Flow is rejecting it. So they've removed the 6 years old girl from the description, and now she's the one doing the talking. I did not allow this one to finish playing because this one was not also talking. There was no dialogue. So I have to go back and ask them to add dialogue, but make it flow friendly. Yes. So now they've created it in the way that it will be flow friendly. You can see there's no 6-year-old child. It's just the visual and the scene that is describing that there is a little girl, but her own part is not there. I'll just paste it in now and check my settings and read through what I pasted to be sure is the exact clip. So our video is ready.
Hi, sweetheart. Are you looking for someone? It's okay, you can tell me.
I'll just go ahead and download the
Hi,
video,
sweetheart. Are you looking for someone?
and after which
It's okay, you
I
can
will
tell
start
me.
to edit. The tools I use are ChatGPT and Google Flow. Other tools I use are YouTube View and Gemini Pro. If there's anything you don't understand, feel free to say it in the comment section and I will reply to it in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I will be waiting for your comments.